Now next picture, the boy who is
this
standing. What did you discover regarding the next boy is from for Anzar only?
disable.
Disable. What could be the disable mean ability? What kind of disability you can think? Like, see, he is just signing. He is giving some signs. So he could be.
Talk. He cannot talk.
Yes, he could be dumb. Okay, might, because from the picture we can only discover this much. Yes, he is also disabled. Yes, again third picture is with Adam.
He cannot walk.
Walk, disability of walking. Okay, and now Anzar. Oh, this is very clear.
See.
Yes, it means
He
these people
cannot see.
are deprived from some senses, some abilities. Like the first person, he is disabled, he cannot walk. That's why sitting on the wheelchair. He's not old. The boy sees by looking, he's fine, but his some disabilities are there, dumb, deaf, like that. And the third one also, and the fourth one is absolutely is blind and old as well. What do you think? What do they need from us? From me, from you, from the community, from the people around them?
Help.
From,
Help.
yes, exactly. Help. Yes, Anzar, do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. So these people do need our help. Help, whatever the type, whatever the way they do need help, we are supposed to help them. So they are needy people. They are needy people. They need our help financially, mean with money, without money. Yeah, here I am confused somewhat. Answer, how we can help them without money?
Uh, we can, if some clothes are dirty and we don't want to wear them, then we can uh, give to the poor and they will wear if they didn't have money.
Yeah, we can donate them. Mean they are
Yes.
clothes are extra, okay? Clothes are extra, not dirt like that, okay? So if we help them without money, like if we help them money, so it's also care. If we do not, we do help them without money, it's also a care, okay? We do care them. Our lesson is care for the who are these people? They are needy people. Who are they? They are needy. So our lesson is care for the needy, and the textbook we are going to carry is 144. If you have to textbook with you, kindly open them. Keep them open with you because some information we have to carry with us. So you can see your PowerPoint is still coming, right? Anzar and Adam, can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, boys, good. Our lesson is care for the needy. Either they are disabled in any age, at any age, any way, either suddenly they do need help, either they by birth. Our learning initiatives or the intentions or the objectives are, we will explain today, explain the concept of needy, who is needy and exactly mean who needs our help. You know, some people are beggars, like they are just begging all the time. Have you seen the beggars, Anzar?
Uh, no.
Beggars, though, like in our country, in Pakistan and India, some of the countries, you can see the beggars on the roads. You see them, na?
Oh, there, yeah,
Yes,
yes.
they are known as beggars. Adam, are they real needy people? Adam, do you think are they real needy?
Yes.
They are also needy? But exactly they, some of them are not. Very few of them are needy. Rest of all are just beggars. They are the habit. They are. This is their profession. They are just begging, begging all the time. But they are in this. But they are not disabled. Very most of them. They can work. They can walk. They can talk. Even they can see also. They are very healthy. The ladies are also there. Men, even small kids are also there. They are not sending them to the children to their schools or anyway. They have not planned anyway. They are just begging, they are asking by the name of Allah, for the sake of Allah, by profession. They are not real mean needy people, most of them. I'm not talking about all, because Allah knows best who are deserving, who are not. So first priority is just identify who is the needy and then help the needy. But I'm not saying that you start asking people question like, if you your heart you want to say by the name of Allah, for the sake of Allah, do give them, because giving charity or sadaqah, this is obligatory. But first responsibility towards us is Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, recommended in a hadith, be mindful those whom you are giving. It means you should be mindful either this person is needy or not, because it could happen that you give or you help the person who is not needy, and the person who is or exactly needy, he is deprived from that. Okay, this should be very actively and wisely. So we first of all, concept of the needy, who is actually needy, infer that providing help for the needy is rational and religious duty. It is to us, it is connect, is rational, it is must, okay, and religious as well. And the second we will go through in the next lesson, inshallah. Knowledge from the previous lesson, this we have already done. What is mutual mercy? Mutual mercy mean when everyone is involved, everyone is helping each other. Holy Prophet also recommended this also around the Muslim we are helping, and here also all the time, especially the situation we are living in nowadays. You know, there is a very worse condition. Yeah, can anyone, Adam, I do need from your side, and then Anzar will give us our explanation. What is the condition we are facing now? Is this the condition people do need more than the previous case? What is the condition of nowadays? We
Cars,
see that. Yes. Say.
cars, buildings, bus, school.
Yes. Like because of this disease, may God not be so continue to so long. See, some people are, some of us must mean lost their jobs. Okay, they are not disabled, but they don't have any source. They have nothing to. Some of us are not having to eat even not shelters is not there. They are not able to pay their rent. They are also needy. Either they are Muslim or not. But first of all, we have to Muslim. Those are very near to us, very around. Then go to the next mean step. Okay, now we will start our lesson textbook page. Then I'll ask the third question, because this is directly related to our lesson. Okay, Anzar, come to the page 145. Read for us, for me and Adam. Then we will proceed. There is a card like certificate on page 145. Can you read this certificate? Answer, there is a certificate on page 145. Read it fully.
Yes, I can see.
Just it.
The nine certificate
Yes.
of application,
Hmm.
the 19th of Ramadan,
Hmm.
Zahid
Humanitarian Day.
Humanitarian Day, honoring
Hmm.
humanitarian
Hmm.
relief workers.
Yes. See, boys. Here, this is, will be there in the assessment, or I will be sending, or the worksheet also. See, Humanitarian Day UAE is all means celebrating Humanitarian Day. Humanitarian Day mean taking care of people, taking care of human, those who are needy in the way of mean disabilities, in the way of circumstances, like nowadays sudden conditions come and in disaster comes, they are needy, they are helping. There is an organization, There is like organization mean there are people like our school is our organization, mean there are group of people they are helping. So they name that organization in UAE Zayed Humanitarian. Okay, humanitarian Zayed Humanitarian by the name of Sheikh Zayed, who was the founder of UAE. Okay, father of all. So they gave this organization the name with the Sheikh Zayed. Okay, and this humanitarian day they celebrate only on 19th Ramadan, but they do help people needy all day of the year. It's not like they are celebrating on 19th Ramadan and they are helping only 19th Ramadan. They are helping all year, but this day is celebrated because I think they just made started that this day on in the Ramadan on the 19th Ramadan. So they celebrate every year. No, it's Ramadan is coming, inshallah 23rd or 24th 4th of the April, and inshallah all of us will enjoy by the blessings of Allah. So should I ask you, Adam, which day this day is celebrated? Humanitarian Day. I'll give you hints. Don't look at the book. Be honest. It is 29th Ramadan, 19th Ramadan, or 9th Ramadan. If you remember. I just wanted to check your listening.
Teacher, I know.
Yes?
19 of Ramadan.
Yeah, but you are Anzar now. I wanted to hear from Adam. Okay. It's 19th Ramadan. Do not mix, and boys, one thing more. Do not mix it with the normal other English months like Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. School will try to make you confused with the other months. It is only, you have to remember the day of Ramadan. That is Ramadan every year. Okay. Why humanitarian mean? Humanitarian day or humanitarian organization is the organization where they help needy people. You saw some picture, they could be disabled anyway because of some senses they are not blessed, some because of some accidents they are not able to survive, either their families are not there, because sometimes it happens they don't, like a person is there, a man is there, he has no daughter or son, could be alone. Okay, he is not blessed with family, either his family is there because of some disaster, family is no more, so they are needy people. Even some are there, their families are not there, but their income is so low they cannot survive, they cannot fulfill their necessities, basic needs. So Zayed Humanitarian Organization, they do help them accordingly their needs, whatever they are in need. Okay, here is the, I will just proceed one more page. Okay, that is 151. Open your page, textbook page 151. Have you opened?
Yes.
Yes. Adam, you have also opened?
Yes.
Okay, now I'll explain one thing and then we will solve this. Why I'm solving all this? Because this is a kind of assessment and we are supposed to fill our assessment side by side. Okay, so that's why I just wanted to judge either you have done or not. I will just read and we all together will read and then we will solve this. Okay, yeah, boys, see if we help others just for the sake of Allah, to show, to get the blessing or the gratitude from Allah Almighty, then it means it's a kind of help. If we do not do, like if we want to just show off, then it's not a help anyway. It's just a show off. Like if you help someone just to help, for the help, to show Allah that I am helping because my Allah says I want to be rewarded, I want to please my Allah, then it's help. If you want to show people, oh see I am helping this person, so it's not a help, it's a show off, and it's haram in Islam. It means one thing is charity, this is halal, to helping others just for the sake of Allah. On the other hand, if we just show off, we boost that I am helping so that people say, oh, this is the very wealthy person, he is helping others, he has so much wealth, then this is haram. Okay, the only charity is though that's it only just for the cause of Allah, to show Allah that I am just obeying you. Is it clear till here, boys?